I thought Jada's gonna start running for Prime Minister. Jada's like, I want to get some gifts.
Yo, I need to take out Boris so I could be the Prime Minister, fam.
You don't get to keep any of it.
Number 7, a horse farm. The founder of Microsoft manages to hit every list discussing
Microsoft.
billionaires. Bill Gates' daughter, Jennifer Gates, is a trained equestrian, and seeing how important this sport was to her, the loving father bought and created the Evergate Stables in Wellington, Florida for her. How much did
quite
this
nice.
cost him?
That's fair
The
enough.
horse farm set him back
What?
$37 million. But we're sure
How?
he can make that money back in a few hours. Easy.
Yeah.